Unlocking the meaning behind Scepter of Command. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations: Scepter of Command. This phrase is rich in history and symbolism, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of the English language. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, Scepter of Command, refers to a symbol of absolute authority and power. A scepter is a staff or a rod that is held by monarchs, such as kings and queens, during ceremonies as a symbol of their sovereignty and right to rule. When we say, Scepter of Command, we are talking about a powerful tool or authority that allows someone to command or control others. It's not just about the physical object but also about the metaphorical power it represents. The concept of a scepter has been around for thousands of years, with its roots in ancient civilizations like Egypt and Mesopotamia. Originally, it might have been a practical tool, like a walking stick, but over time, it evolved into a ceremonial item that symbolized power and governance. The addition of command to scepter emphasizes the authority and control the holder has, making it a phrase that evokes imagery of leadership, decision-making, and dominance. Understanding the phrase, Scepter of Command, allows you to use it in various contexts, especially those related to power dynamics, leadership, and authority. For instance, in a discussion about political power, the president held the scepter of command with a firm but fair hand. When talking about control within a family or organization, in their household, it was clear who held the scepter of command. In literature or storytelling, to describe a character with ultimate power, with the scepter of command in her grasp, she ruled the kingdom without opposition. This phrase can add a dramatic and authoritative tone to your conversations or writings, enriching your English expression. We hope this exploration of the Scepter of Command has been enlightening and has added a new layer to your understanding of English phrases and their origins. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the history and culture that shape its expressions. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.